Thank you. Thank you very much. Sẽ cái đây là chia bật to được tiếp ní khi nhóm Prakarana khi nhóm bà dồn cơ bình chơi lúc bật đực Jaswa Cooper chỉ ở đầm tìm bức xa của bà già bọn Khmer Campuchia Krom xong thua sẽ cái đây là chôn phiêu cái tình yêu tăng hòa bà xong cơ bình chơi.
Lastly here, our last speaker for the day is our special, very special, very close to us, is Joshua Cooper, Professor Joshua Cooper. He is from Hawaii. He is our advisor and he has been with us forever. Please welcome Joshua.
Good, thank you. Chào Rip Sư, Sok Sabai. It's hot today, but it's great. It's an honor to be here on this glorious day, because when we look out, we see and remember all the memories we've accumulated together. And it also is a sign of the next chapter for a new center that's focusing on compassion, that's focusing and rooted in courage. And as I stand here today, I even just think of last night. Last night, almost clear skies, but as we started and the monks chanted, you could feel the precipitation. You could feel the blessings from the heavens coming down. And it continued. It didn't pour and ruin the event. It just added a little blessing to all the amazing work of the bold work that we've been doing. And as we're here today, it's one of those moments where you can reflect what has happened. I never forget coming to meet the Khmer Krom with UNPO. UNPO, of course, is a really